I do not want you guys to go through what I am seeing right now, and I wanted to jump on and give you a short video as I'm calling vendors and banks and everything. If you don't know, my significant other passed away less than 20 days ago, and when that happens, there's a lot of things that you have to do. This has been horrific. It's pretty much the worst time in my life. Sorry. I thought of you guys because I don't want anyone to go through what's about to happen and want to make sure that your family is protected and you're okay. Banks are closing nationwide. They're now down to 78,000 branches. They had videos, and I'm going to put this at the end, both videos discussing this. I don't want to tell you I told you so. That's not why I came on here. I want to make sure you're okay. You might think that paying down your credit cards is a great thing, and it is typically. If you're doing it thinking that you're going to have money later on, you might want to hold on to your cash right now. What I'm finding, lenders are cutting credit lines down. If you take your money, let's say you have credit lines of 3 different credit cards and each one have 2,000, and you think, okay, I'm going to take 3,000 of my cash and pay these down. If you're not trying to buy anything right now, hold on to your cash. You could go and pay those credit cards and they cut your credit lines. There's been 2 credit cards that we had in business that have just completely stopped issuing cards and shut down their lines completely. Now, if I was counting on those 2 cards to live or run the business, I'd be in big trouble. Banks are cutting credit lines. Keep your cash, keep it at home in a safety deposit box, however you have to do it. I don't want to see you pay down the cards and think, oh yeah, rock on, I'm doing a great job, and they cut your credit lines. It was wild. I got a call the other day and I predicted this one too, and I'm going to have it at the end of my video. Both videos talk about this topic I'm talking about and bringing this to you. And also, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. I'm not ready to be back full time. I will be back soon, and I appreciate all of your kind gestures and super thanks and everything that you guys have been doing to make me feel like I have people right now, because it's really important. I really do appreciate it. I got a call from servicer from Goldman Sachs. I thought that was a little aggressive. I was 2 days late. Now, we're not talking 30 days late or anything, 2 days late. And they said, this is the servicer. And I said to the person, I said, isn't this a little extreme? They've already turned me over and it's 2 days. And they said, oh, no. We're actually servicing all of their loans. They've closed they're done. They closed their loan departments. Now, I know Goldman Sachs got out of the GM card, the Apple card. Now their small business loans done. They're not talking about it. She said it's super hush hush. They've turned over all of their loans. At least I know the personal loans, which was massive, that they were doing. They were writing loans and their default rates are through the roof. That's the issue. They were giving cards to everyone. Now they've turned over their personal loans. It's happening. The bank branches are closing. 1/5 of all bank branches have closed. They're now down to 78,000 bank branches. The commercial market, we already know, is in turmoil. I'm sure they've had a meeting with the banks saying, hey guys, we bailed you out before. Please don't close all your branches. It's going to happen. It just makes sense. There's no need for all of these branches with the way fintechs have come on, internet banking. When COVID happened, we realized we don't need to go to a branch. Now, I know some of us more mature people still like branches, but you don't need 79,000 or now 78,000. Please be aware, keep cash back right now. Make sure you have enough money. Do not rely on credit cards. They might go away. And let me tell you something else that was huge. Every single lender I've talked to, because I've had to call everyone, redo everything, addresses, names, all sorts of things. So I'm talking to everyone. Everyone is offering a program. The minute that you say anything, I said, well, my significant other just passed away. Oh, do you want a program? Do you want me to change your interest rate and give you different payment structures? That's great if you guys need it, to absolutely take advantage of it. I could not partake in that. I said, because I asked a very important question. If I was to do this, believe me, I'm all for lower interest rates. I mean, the credit card interest rates have gone through the roof. If you do this and take take on their interest rate or moving money, anything, and you're trying to make a big purchase or anything with your credit will be hit. They have to put on there that you're working on a deal with them. Now, I know the one that they were talking about with me with changing the interest, they said, oh, it only hurt you for maybe a month. I can't afford that. I can't have anything hurt me right now with my credit, especially what's going on with my life and having to move and change my entire world. That can't happen. So be very, very careful. Any deal that you might take with any of these banks, ask them, please ask them, what will this do to my credit score? What are you reporting? You take any deal, it's going to get reported. Please watch out for that. As I mentioned before, I absolutely adore you guys. I will be back soon. There's a lot of stuff that I have to go through, and it's just day by day, and that's all you can do. You just try to do it day by day. That's my best advice for anyone that has lost a loved one. Please comment down below. I am reading your comments, and I do really appreciate them. It means the world to me, and it gets me through some tough times when I read them. I really appreciate it. This is D Money. Be careful out there. Peace out.